Springfield seeking their first league win, playing at Bowling Green. Bobcats starting strong. Ryan Jackson hurtling his way to the hoop, part of a 7-0 run for the home team off the opening tip. It's an 8-point lead in the second quarter. Blue Devils turning defense into offense. Will Mays pulls in the rebound, zeroes in on Lamar Isaac on the other end for the lane. Just a 6-point game, 5 minutes to go in the half. But then the Bobcats pounce. Jackson drawing pressure off Brock Hastings. Room in the corner. Isaac flies it. 3 is good. Lead in double digits, and they were just getting started. Braden Fryman shovels to Hastings, hits another 3. Bobcats end the run on a 17-3 run. More than enough cushion. 67-36 your final. One first quarter adjustment, making all the difference for the home team.
Quit turning the ball over. I mean, it was pretty simple. I mean, once we started turning the ball over in that first quarter, we let them get some momentum going. I mean, once we handled the ball well tonight, I mean, we attacked their pressure really well. I was happy with our guys. I was really concerned coming into the game because Springfield causes a lot of problems on defense and with their pressure. And I thought from the tip we handled it and we were prepared with it.